Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to test your pattern. And testing your pattern just involves assembling your pattern pieces together, cutting it out, placing it on your fabric, the right positions, and cutting it out on your fabric and so on and so forth. So you're also going to test it. That is, you're going to sew your pattern, and then if there is any error in your correct in your pattern, then you can go back to the drawing board, that is your pattern on Valentina, and then make the adjustments. If you're doing this commercial, you can just go on to make the recommended corrections and then sew your pattern basically. Well, so today I'm going to show you how to test it, that is assemble your patterns. And we are going to be using this pattern piece from the button down dress I made, that is this dress, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the printout of this dress. I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the pieces together and then place it on your fabric and then cut it out. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So to do that, you of course you're going to need the pattern pieces, that is the printout, which can be in any paper size that you prefer or choose. Whatever size you're okay with, that's fine. And then you're going to need adhesives, that is which can be your sellotape, your paper tape, or your masking tape. Now this masking tape, I simply rolled it in a pencil because I got it from the office, and I really wanted to show you guys so that you can know what I'm trying to say. And the masking tape looks like this. It has a rough surface and a smooth surface. The rough surface is where you have hand and surface, and then the smooth surface is where you can easily write whatever you want on it. It's very great when you're trying to join two papers together. So you can either use that or any of these two. And of course, you need your scissors to work with. All right. So these are the things that you're going to need to join or assemble your patterns together. And I'll just get or jump right. Now you can see my pattern pieces, and you can see they are so much. They're about 36 pages, okay, of the pattern piece, and that is because my printout was done in an A4 paper size. Now, if you are using a much larger sized paper, it's evident to see that pages of the paper pattern pieces will be lesser. Okay, so the reason I have this much is because it is in an A4 paper size. So you can even choose to take your project to a plotter and actually plot it out or using a plotter. Some people do that, yeah. But if you don't have that available, you just simply print it out in an A4 paper. The only advantage, oh sorry, the only disadvantage is that you just have to assemble a lot of paper. But with larger size paper, the tendency is less. Okay. Okay, so to assemble your pattern, you are going to need to know a few key things. Now, this is the first page of my pattern, as you can see. Now, at the bottom, I hope you can see that. At the bottom of the paper, okay, now just zoom in a bit so that you can see it. You'll see there are two informations written at the bottom of the paper. One is at the middle, which is the page information, and the second or page number. Okay, then the second is at the left hand corner, also at the bottom of the page. Now this two information helps you to properly assemble your patterns and put them in the right order so that you can easily glue them together and then move on. Okay, so now the first the first, which is the page number at the middle of the paper, simply tells you the number of pages you have, which is, like I already said, I have about 36 to 38 pages of my pattern. So it just helps me to tell that I'm in page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, all to 38. Okay, now the grid number is the key factor in assembling your pattern. So you need to understand how it works to easily assemble your patterns together. Now, the grid has two numbers which represents a column and also a row. Now, the first number indicates the row, while the second number indicates the column. So, if the first number, as you can see right there, is grid 1, and because the numbers are usually demarcated with a comma, so the first number is